Now we're in front of the Alliance Avenue 23ML, which is a wonderful floor plan that's under 28 feet. It's a fifth wheel. Let's go take a look at it.
We are here at the 2025 Florida RV Super Show, and in Tampa, and we're going to share some videos that we did of some rigs, and yeah, it's been a great show so far, and we've had a lot of fun.
And honestly, we're only here a couple days. We're not going to do the amount of floor plans that we normally do or the amount of manufacturers, but we are going to bring you some good stuff.
Absolutely. So yeah, get ready to check it out, and we'll see you on the road. 101-inch wide body on these, just really nice. Nice lighted bar. That's where your propane goes, of course. And then your batteries in the front here. Plenty of space. Not bad at all. And then all your controls over here. These are all manual controls for your tanks. Slide here. It's the All Access Series.
Come on in. So for those of you who are trying to stay small, this is, I think, a really good floor plan that you need to consider. So you walk in, you have a nice hutch area. It has the same frosted glass because it's an Avenue is what we have. And they're soft close hinges. They're going to have drawers. This it should be, yeah, it is the circuit breaker. And then you have a little bit of storage up there.
Oh, yeah.
And a whole thing of storage here.
That's nice.
It is nice because we didn't have this.
We didn't have the storage above. I don't know why.
No, we didn't have that either. So I like that. So right here, you're going to have your pantry.
Mm-hmm.
With adjustable shelves.
Yep.
This is going to come down.
Yes.
And going to give you a plug, a couple different, a USB, and then I can't remember the name of it, but anyway, 3 different style plugs.
Regular USB and then USB-C.
There we go. And your cup holders right here. Or if you don't want it and you need more seating, you can put it away.
Yep.
I like how they have like a book or magazine rack. You can put things in there that aren't too big. Get it back here. We have a Furrion fridge and freezer. Looks like it's probably about, I want to say maybe 8-ish cubic feet. That's what we had in our travel trailers.
That's that.
Decent size for this size RV. It's not bad at all.
Little 3-burner.
And it has a nice pot and pan drawer.
Pot
and pan drawer underneath.
Thoughts.
And a 30-inch residential microwave, which is great. For this size RV, you don't always get a microwave that's large.
Exactly. Look at the counter space. I know.
Look at the storage.
Yeah, that's great.
I like having this so you can, yes, we don't have a shelf under ours either. But plenty of storage.
Plenty of storage.
It's a huge TV. And you have nice drawers.
Wow, really, yeah.
Huge of countertop space. And a lot of cabinet space, too, for the size of the RV is.
As they pointed out.
Yes, and you're going to have additional storage underneath here for the items that you don't really use much. All right, and you have double the shoe storage. You have shoe storage here, and then on this side, you have shoe storage as well there. You have a nice bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
Nice deep storage, but you can reach the back.
Yeah.
This one's not as deep. I think it has something to do with the bedroom. Medicine cabinet. And they have drawers. I just want drawers. So you have a nice large space and you have a couple drawers, which is great. You can notice there's no floor vents because it comes out here. So that's great. And we'll do the Scotty test.
Okay.
Coming out. And he's going in. So it's not a double bathroom, really. I mean, you can fit 2 people. But... Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
That works out good.
Yeah.
And it's big enough.
It's wide too.
Yeah,
so,
it's enough.
Like you can see this. I mean, it's pretty wide.
Oh yes, I love those kind of. Some people don't like those, but we had one in our last rig, and we liked it a lot.
Yeah. No, that's great.
It's a Nautilus style. Oh yeah.
All right, let's continue on to the bedroom.
Into the bedroom. We're going to have a north-south bed.
It's an actual door too.
Yeah, it's a door. We're going to have a north-south bed. All right. You've got cabinet space above, which is good. Because it's got the shocks on them.
Yep.
Now, these actually on both sides lift up for storage.
Oh yeah, nice.
And then you have the drawers like right there. They're
Right.
skinny, but they're there.
That's great.
You're
Open
gonna
that
have
up.
some hanging space here,
Yep.
of course. And then this should be drawers.
Oh,
I
they're
like what they
pull-outs.
did.
Oh, those are great.
Yeah, that's nice. All right, so there's 4 of those. You have your vent here for heat. So
On the
there's
floor.
like literally no vent.
No
on
floor
the
vents. And then, wow,
And then
look at that
Nice
massive
amount of
storage.
storage right there.
Great.
Yeah. So if you're worried about getting into any of the state parks, the national parks, or anything like that, again, this is under 28 feet.
Amazing.
So this is a great option. It
Is
has plenty of space.
Is it considered half-ton towable?
I think it is the 23 ml. I think it's an all access, so they do consider it half-ton total.
Half-ton towable. So
Not that I'm going to recommend that, to be honest with you, but
you can do it. I guess you could, as long as you don't have a lot of cargo in
Right,
your
so
truck. You got to look at your
you gotta
cargo
look
carrying
at your
capacity.
weights. Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, I think this is a great, definitely great for that.
Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate.